Hi guys, and welcome to my first unboxing vlog. So today we'll be unboxing the ANITEEZ orders I got from TokTok. Earlier, dumating na yung package and I did a partial unboxing. So yes, nakita nyo, nabuksan ko na siya dito. So yun, naisip ko, bakit hindi ko siya videohan? So nakuha yung sa akin, as I've said, sa TokTok app. So I pre-ordered last February. And around March, I think, nag-update naman yung TokTok saying that they switched the couriers to FedEx. And me, personally, I had previous experience with FedEx. And to my fellow Filipino ATEEZ, if you're planning to buy something, then FedEx yung partner courier, you are expected to pay their extra fees or processing fees as they call it. Don't worry, they have a paper. I paid 576 pesos and 80 cents of processing fee apart from the shipping fee na binigay or kinalculate ni TokTok. So keep in mind, it's expensive. Next is Wooyonyang himself. So my initial reaction is, nung nakita ko yung box, feel ko binuksan na nila yun. Or feel ko, ito yung original box. Then binuksan nila. Then kinuha nila yung original plushie. Tapos nilagay nila yung second batch. To be honest, hindi ko naman sure talaga kung anong ine-expect ko before because I'm not really browsing that much. I'm just wishing for the best that it will arrive. I'm still happy and very excited na natanggap ko na yung plushie today. Kasi can see here, they actually put an actual bell. So if you flail Wooyonyang around, you can hear the bell. Nabuksan ko na siya kanina, tinignan ko lang kasi na-excite ako. And yung original form niya, when it came out of the box, he had a pointed bump sa ulo. As in, very pointed. So I just bunked it down. Yeah, he looks okay now. Texture-wise, kinda reminds me of the old teddy bears. No fur teddy bears. Super compact. Super nakakagigil, TBH. Ginawa ko kanina sa face kasi nga diba medyo deformed siya. Smush ko siya. So, the foam will evenly distribute around. So let's see a side-by-side comparison between the Photocard and the plushie that I got. So this one, the original one, meron siya squarish jaw, squarish face. And mine has a rounded, more fuller face. Mas cute. Mas rounded lang yung face. But I get it. For the other plushies, baka mas noticeable siya, especially when people bought it for the shape. So here are the tags. Not sure if it's different from the other batch, but it says here ANITEEZ, and at the back KQ. Yeah, so now I put the keychain with my bag. It's cute, though I personally don't put that much accessories with my bag. Like, baka sumabit siya somewhere, tapos mawala na siya. Hindi mo na siya makikita. And as for Wooyonyang, he goes back to the box. Medyo nakakatakot lang siya maalikabukan. Hindi ko sure if kapag nilabhan ko ba siya, okay pa siya. Malay mo nag-iba na, no? Hindi natin sure. So yeah, for now, he'll stay back in the box. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Tried to be as casual as possible. You know, talking to friends. Thank you and bye-bye.
Ay, ay. Good, hapya.
Hindi dito yung hap tingin ka dito.
Parang